Hello everyone, welcome to Psych 240 Sociocultural Approaches. The first thing I'd like everyone to do is to go to the Getting Started section of the course site. In there you'll find everything that you need to know to get started with this course. This section will walk you through the course site and will provide instructions on how to upload your avatar and how to post discussion board entries. You'll have a chance to make use of these instructions right away as you post your first discussion assignment to the Discussion 1 forum. I've also provided an introductions forum where we can all introduce ourselves and get to know each other a bit. Please also make sure to post to the Attestations Academic Integrity Policy DB. This is separate from the Introductions DB. Please read the syllabus carefully and let me know if you have any questions. Please note I will not be posting due dates within the course site, so it will be important to pay close attention to the due dates listed on the syllabus. The best place to post questions is the question and answers section of the course site. Feel free to post any questions that you have about the course, although first see if your question may have already been answered there. If you happen to have an answer to another student's question, please chime in. I'm looking forward to an interesting and engaging summer session.